کوچه هامون پر از آواز بود، هر خنده ای روی لب یک راز بود. زنها آزاد و شاد بیوا همه قلب شاد، میزد با یک زمزمه دانشگاه ها، پرز شوق درس و نور کافه ها گر از پچ پچ از راه دور. آزادی زد نور توی چشمون بود، فردای روشن توی آغوشمون بود، بیجاب و رها در دل هر جمع پر بود از امید. این خاک پر ز نم لباسای رنگی، موهای رها، تو خیابونها پر بود از صفا. مادران
I am an Iranian, a Persian, and these last few days I have been asked, why are you protesting? What is the problem? This is a full-scale revolution. It is a fight for human rights, for women, life and freedom. I try to explain how the Islamic Republic of Akhunds and Ayatollahs is completely against Iranians and humanity. They have murdered Iranians since their very first day, with tens of thousands of executions. They have criminalized ordinary behaviors such as not wearing a hijab, mixed gender socializing, music, singing, dancing, parties, alcohol, dating, art, and many more. They prosecute you with any accusation they like, especially muharebe, which means fighting with God, to execute you, imprison you, torture you, or even beat you with lashes. You are publicly punished for speech, online posts, clothing, and private beliefs. This regime has drained Iran's resources over 47 years of its reign due to poor management, simple indifference towards life itself, implementing terror and hardship on people to the point that lakes are gone, forests are gone, the sea is full of dead fish due to pollution, and the air is so toxic that we have an ever-increasing number of cancer. Every now and then, households don't have electricity or water. You do not choose any part of the government, nothing. It is all set up for you by the people who are in the system. Khamenei is the supreme leader and everyone else is his hand-picked pawns. Power is militarized and insulated from accountability. People are economically isolated on purpose. We do not have access to Amazon, PayPal, Visa or MasterCard or any global company. We ride outdated, low-quality, local, unreliable, though expensive cars. The internet is always slow and controlled, making it frustrating to look for information other than what they provide. You cannot access YouTube, Telegram, Instagram, or any other website unless you illegally have a VPN. This regime of oppression has poisoned people's minds from the early age of 6 with its ideology. They teach you whatever they want you to believe and repeat, not only on TV, but in school and in every book you hold in your hand. As a child, you are forced to wear the clothes that decide for you. A 6-year-old girl goes to school with a magnet on her head and clothes that are 6 times bigger than her, so she becomes used to dressing this way for the rest of her life. With the internet blackout, they have put everyone in the dark so they cannot contact with each other, to not let the movements become organized, to let fear take over. But they do not know that there is no fear in the heart of an Iranian. We want our country back and we fight with our own bare hands.